it is not only confined with movies. It is just that
Just
idea.
confined to release the movie, how to promote it, the site locations. As you
So
are, so it was great talking to you. The topic was interesting. Got to hear a lot of more insights about the movies because I'm not aware of that. Your confidence is great. Your vocabulary is strong. Your sentence formation is strong. It was really great having a session with you. This were also good. Confidence was great. Sentence formation was good. All the vocabulary words you used, you didn't repeat those words again and again. You used different words every time you have to convey your message. That was
yeah.
nice actor. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Okay. So tell me, how are you? How was your day?
I'm good. How about you? Thanks for asking.
Same here.
The day has been pretty good, as usual.
Yeah.
So right now Ramadan is going on. So yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I would like you to quickly introduce yourself so that we can begin with our session today.
absolutely. So my name is Faraz. I'm an English honors graduate with
Okay.
Clapingo. It's been almost, I believe, more than 2 months maybe. I'm really enjoying it. Working on my communication skills. I'm striving to become a
Great.
better speaker, and
Great.
I love to play guitar and love to sing as well sometimes. And I love to read. I enjoy reading a lot, and
Okay.
yeah, what else? Yeah.
Okay. So this is me, Archana Parwani, your speaker for this session. Um, I want to ask you one question. Are you interested in
So
movies?
in movies, okay.
Yeah. Do you
Yeah, I
like
am a movie
watching?
buff. Yeah, I am a movie buff. Yeah, I have been
Very
watching
good.
movies since my childhood. So yeah,
Okay. Any of the character that you would like to come to life? Any movie character, any movie character you want that should come to life in your
there'll
real
be
life
so
and
many
life would be
characters.
interesting.
There'll be so many characters. I won't be able to name one. Why? Because I have been watching fictional movies, animated movies, or for that
Great.
matter, fictional action movies too. Like
Great.
you also must have watched that movie, the Terminator 2. You know,
Yeah.
wherein
No, I
Arnold.
haven't.
You haven't? Okay.
No,
So
I'm not that into movies.
you're not that into movies, okay?
No.
Yeah. So like it is about the Terminator who is being brought from past in the future times to kill the to kill a kid who is like who is actually a very intelligent or who is going to be a very big thing in terms of technology goes. So he
Okay.
has programmed something. The program name is Skynet, which he has built. And to kill him, like there is a Mercury man who comes from past in the future times, so that he will be able to kill that kid when he's kid. So yeah. So like the story, the plot, like these are such plots which are always very fascinating. You really delve into it, and you think that what kind of plots that Hollywood people come up with.
I've
So
seen
and
some Hollywood movies, so I am actually fascinated by them.
yeah, and so which one is your favorite movie?
Jumanji.
Jumanji, the old one?
Yeah. No, it was Welcome to the Jungle and The Next Level. Both of them.
Welcome to the Jungle. Okay, so
Yeah.
Dwayne Johnson one, yeah,
Yeah.
where Dwayne Johnson is there. Yeah. So that's the new one. So now you have seen the new one. I like you ought to see the original one,
Okay.
wherein Robin Williams is there, and you'll love it. You'll
Okay.
get hooked to that movie. So it came in, I guess, in early '90s, but that is the original movie. So there
Okay.
are so many characters which I would like to, and there are so many
Heroes.
superheroes. Yeah, superheroes that like Superman, He-Man, you know, Spider-Man, of course. Yeah, like I wish that I could have that kind of power. So
Okay. So let's amalgamate all those. And if I give you a chance, have you ever thought of creating a movie? If I give you a chance of creating a movie, how it would be?
creating a movie here in India that let's say if I like if I have given a chance to create a movie and I have got that everything so sorted, that finance part and everything, the casting crew, like everything is sorted. The plot is the only thing which I have to decide, the screenplay and everything. So I would definitely go for the same story which I was referring to, the Terminator one, because
Okay.
here in India, superheroes movies have also come like Krish and whatnot. If you talk about this concept, the Judgment Day, this hasn't been
Yeah.
like this haven't come up yet in India, in Bollywood. So I would
Okay.
really like to come up with this topic here in India, and of course, so the and I would really need to cast myself in that. Yeah,
Okay.
as a main lead. So that I would do, and the storyline will be the same, the Judgment Day, and how will what would happen in that. So the technology, the computers get aware, and they go against the humans.
Okay.
So they strike a war against humans. Humans are fighting with the machines, and yeah, so on. So this is
That's
a very
great.
unique concept
Unique concept. That's what's
here.
needed
Yeah,
in India.
in India.
What about the other cast?
Refreshing. Cast you are asking.
The other cast, apart from the main hero, the main lead that you'll be. What about the other cast? Whom will you cast?
Definitely Ritik Roshan will be there.
Great.
Yeah. Amir Khan will be there. Yeah. All the brilliant,
Well,
brilliant actors like who are really into, and Nasruddin Shah should he'll be there. Yeah.
nice actor.
Yeah, yeah. So I have been
Definitely.
following them. Yeah, and these are like all the theater actors basically, and yeah. So the uh, gist of it is that the so it will like what we are striving for here is that it will definitely come on the big screen. So the storyline and actors, if we amalgamate everything, so the product uh, will come out in a like it should be humongous.
Nice.
That would
Coming to a
attract.
little bit
Yeah.
of realistic part, hiring such big heroes, it will cost us funds, definitely.
That is why I saved myself initially
Okay.
in the
So
starting only, that
coming
everything is sorted.
coming to that part, how will you raise those funds? Any idea for that?
See, honestly speaking, of course, I do not have much idea about it. That of course, what is the procedure in it
Yeah.
to ask for the funds, or what are the techna- uh, technicalities in it. So, but having said that, I would say that if I have a good storyline, if I have a good plot, if I have a good script to
Yeah.
offer, so the producers will, of course, this would attract them, and of course I'll get financed for my movie if I have
Yes.
a good script.
Yeah. So
So
you are the
there is a
conceiver of the
process,
idea.
of course. Yeah,
Yeah. So you are just thinking that I'll conceive the idea and then put it in
I'll
front of
I'll
some
I'll, I'll
people.
conceive the idea. Yeah, because I'll give you a very short example. You might not have watched the movie or the series, but you might have heard his name, Sylvester Stallone. The Rocky series, it was based on boxing. Okay,
Okay.
so when he started, even when he didn't start his career as an actor, he had this script only, and
Okay.
he was living on rent, and he has this one dog. He had to sell his dog to survive. Okay,
Okay.
so he used to roam around in every film city there with his Rocky script, and he used to get rejected. The script
Okay.
wasn't the reason why he was being rejected again and again. The reason was that he wanted to act in the movie. So, but finally, when he got
He got a chance.
yeah, so he got that big chance, and yeah, and history was made.
That's nice. Yeah, so good ideas obviously give good results if you believe in your ideas. So the idea which you conceived of having a movie like Judgment Day is a great thing.
An idea, and it goes with everything. Uh, like it is with everything, like KFC and Apple. Like it goes not. It is not only confined with movies. It is just that
It's
idea
confined to it.
that
Yeah,
that
it is.
that matters everything.
Any shoot related ideas, how to release the movie, how to promote it, the site locations. As you are,
So that would
aware
be
of
the
the
PR
Hollywood
work.
movies,
That would be the
tell me
PR
some
work.
of the, yeah, the attracted locations, any site location that you want to shoot your movie.
Yeah, so the most of the shootings will be held in abroad, in New York, California, Texas,
Yeah,
Wisconsin, yeah, and in a
PR work,
desert part of like South America or North America maybe, wherein the
any
main
PR
action scenes
work,
will be shot. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
any PR work, as you said, the shooting part or the PR part. Will you be a part of it?
Yeah,
You
so
have any ideas for PR?
we have this facility now. Like the social platform has become so gigantic. This would be the
Definitely,
easiest way.
agreed.
This would be the easiest way to promote your film. And of course, if we have to
Definitely.
meet someone in person with the media and everything, of course, I will go and meet in person.
That's great. That's great. Any shooting that you've done in real life? Anything?
Yeah, I have
You
done.
have shooted something. Tell me
Yeah,
those
yeah.
experiences. Tell me those
I
experiences.
have I have like acted in a couple of serials and for a movie as well. When this movie had come, Fukre 2, so like got a little part in had to play that.
Wow.
Yeah, so the dialogues weren't there, but yeah, I got that. So the shooting went for a complete day. So I got a chance to meet with with all the actors, with Ali
All the
Fazal and
guys.
yeah, and with Pankaj Tripathi, with everyone. I had to.
Nice.
Uh,
That's
yeah,
great.
yeah. So, and I got a 2 to 3 minutes role for with Disha Parmar as well, and I
Nice.
like have given several auditions as well. Yeah. So these were the experiences that, of course, I'm familiar with. So since
So you are
that is why I
not
was referring.
fearful of camera.
No, I'm not.
That's great. That's great. So you're not fearful of camera. Hence, you suggested yourself as the lead. That's great.
Yeah, yeah. That is
That's
why you must have
nice.
figured it out. Yeah. Why?
So the script that you told me, the Judgment Day. Can you tell me the message that it will give to our generation or to the audience? What thing
Uh,
it will highlight?
so the message is that it is like the technology has gone so far that it has become like that you have shot your own foot, like shooting your own foot. So it is like that. Of course, there are pros and cons of the technology, but it has gone so far, and it is going to be that far that here in this movie, the kind of things that they have portrayed, the kind of message that they are putting across, that we cannot control everything. Humans cannot control everything.
Control
So,
anything.
and there is one of the dialogues in the movie is that the machine tells that kid, John, that Judgment Day is inevitable. You cannot change it. So it is
You
inevitable.
cannot change it.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So,
Okay, so that's great. A message to the audience regarding technology that you can't control everything. I would relate like we are experiencing something. The present scenario is related to something.
the
We are
COVID
suffering
situation you are referring to?
somewhere. Yeah. Somewhere I can say that we are challenging nature and now nature is challenging us in some or the other manner. So
to
even
to
that
to
can
some
be,
extent, yeah, of course, because
yeah.
these are nuclear, and in past as well, like this is not the first time that virus has spread. Earlier as well, so many times that uh, and and these things happens only because of those silly experiments which the scientists do, which the government do basically.
Yeah.
Government asks the scientists to do this,
Yeah. They even allow.
to perform this. Otherwise, how would they be able to do in a
Definitely.
very large manner? And that
Definitely.
Hiroshima bombing, and of course, and these nuclear reactions, and of course, so these are all the repercussions that we all faced for generations. Not only one
To come.
generation faced it,
Now.
like
But many generations.
many
Definitely.
generations face it. So like these are one of the things, and of course, and now we have come to know about it that this virus is in the air. So it
The
is
second
you.
wave is destructive.
It is, yeah, it is a third or fourth wave, and this has become so destructive. Earlier, recovery rate was much higher, but
Now it
now
is not.
what is happening? It is, yeah, the recovery rate is has gone down. That is a major downside of it. WHO had already conveyed it. They had already warned everyone when the second wave was going to come, that when we were still recuperating, like in the first wave, the WHO had conveys this thing that like to
This
like
thing is going to happen. You
in
should
some
not
manner
ignore.
that they had warned everyone that don't be so that careless. So it
Don't
is
be
not
lenient
stopped.
towards it.
Don't be lenient towards it. So like it is going to stay, and the second or third wave will be like going to be like
Much more destructive.
going to come. Yeah,
Much more
like in a
destructive.
very bigger manner.
Okay, great. So it was great talking to you. The topic was interesting. Got to hear a lot of more insights about the movies because I'm not aware of that. Your confidence is great. Your vocabulary is strong. Your sentence formation is strong. It was really great having a session with you. Keep up the spirit of learning more. Maybe you will, fine your communication skills even more. And that too soon.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was
Yeah, yeah.
indeed a great session. Yeah,
Yeah, it was learning for me as well because I got to learn so much. That was also a good thing. Was great. Sentence formation was good. All the vocabulary words you used, you didn't repeat those words again and again. You used different words every time you have to convey your message. That was great.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So all the best for further learning of your process.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Shall I manually correct?
No, no, I think it will end in few seconds almost.
Okay.
Yeah, we